going to be putting the Tecno Spark 10 Pro through a gaming test today, and I'm so excited because this is my first gaming test on the channel, and in doing that we'll be playing 3 games: Call of Duty Mobile, Asphalt 9 Legends, and Apex Legends. Those are a lot of legends on this device because the device is actually legendary. Now, before we go into the game, might add a few things I'll be doing here. The device is fully charged to 100%, so while I was playing the games, you'd see how fast it will drain. Also, the specs on this device, for those of you who need it in terms of gaming, is the MediaTek Helio G88 processor, and we have 8 gigs of RAM on this device, with which Memory Fusion helps us to bump it up to 16 gigabytes. Also, it has a 90 Hz refresh rate, so that smooth fluidity you need if you're gaming is going to be there. I'm the LP, and make we game, Charlie. Alright, so I've been playing the game for the past 17 minutes, and we could see the battery level here. It's at 94%. This is the timer for it. I've been playing it for the past 17 minutes, then 39 seconds and over. So we're 30 minutes into gaming, and now the battery level is around 91%. As you can see, this is the timer, and also the device feels slightly warm. I feel like there's some level of cooling going on here because it doesn't feel extremely warm like I was expecting it. But we are going on to play more games to see how this goes. we're finally an hour into the game, 60 minutes and some seconds, and the battery level now for the game or the device is 83%, which seems very cool to me. A few things I noted here was the device heating up slightly. It felt warm at certain points, and I understand because of course I spent so many hours playing games on this device. But let me know what you think about the entire video in the comment section. Would you want to see more of things like these? And as always, we will talk more, Charlie.